Imagine a world where your most sensitive data is as secure as the laws of physics. Welcome to the realm of quantum cryptography. This sophisticated technology takes the principles of quantum mechanics and applies them to the world of data security, creating a secure communication channel that's virtually impenetrable to eavesdropping and interception. Here's how it works. Quantum cryptography uses the properties of particles at a quantum level to encode and transmit information. This means that any attempt to intercept or eavesdrop on the communication would disrupt the quantum state of the particles, altering the data and alerting the sender and receiver to the intrusion. In essence, quantum cryptography ensures that our sensitive data transmissions are secure, not by relying on complicated algorithms or keys, but by harnessing the fundamental laws of the universe. In the face of ever-evolving cyber threats, quantum cryptography stands as our most promising shield. But why should we care about quantum cryptography? Well, it's all about protecting our digital world. Imagine living in a world where your every digital move could be tracked, intercepted, and manipulated. That's the reality we face without secure communication. Quantum cryptography is our knight in shining armor, fighting off the dragons of data theft and eavesdropping. Now, let's take a look at the financial sector. Every day, countless transactions take place, moving billions of dollars around the globe. Imagine if those transactions were intercepted or altered. The consequences could be catastrophic. Or consider the healthcare industry, where the confidentiality of patient data is paramount. A breach could mean a breach of trust, lawsuits, and damage to reputation. Even on a national level, secure communication is critical for national security. Without it, we risk exposing our deepest secrets to potential adversaries. Quantum cryptography isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a necessity in our increasingly interconnected world. So what does the future hold for quantum cryptography? Let's recap. We've seen how quantum cryptography employs the principles of quantum mechanics to guard our communication channels against unwanted prying eyes, offering an unparalleled level of security for our sensitive data transmission. The possibilities are truly endless, with ongoing research and advancements poised to redefine our understanding of secure communication. However, like any groundbreaking technology, it's not without its challenges. Implementation and scalability remain significant hurdles to overcome. But imagine the potential benefits once we do. A world where your personal data, your business secrets, your digital identity are all secured with the power of quantum mechanics. As we hurtle towards a future where data is the new gold, quantum cryptography is the vault we need to keep it safe. So let's keep pushing the boundaries, keep asking questions, keep innovating. After all, the future of secure communication is at our fingertips. Stay curious, stay secured.